Comrade German right here is explaining what is happening in the UK, and I believe that he explained it better in terms of the movements which have been made by people like Walter Mzembe going to the United Kingdom. He is believed to be the person who is negotiating right there that if anything happens in Zimbabwe, it will need an international face or a diplomatic face internationally, and is playing that role. And we are being told that he was also negotiating in South Africa itself. We are being told that he was there giving a presentation of what might happen whatsoever, and he has been in various places because he knows a lot of people. When he was a tourism minister, he met a lot of people. So whatever which is happening in Zimbabwe, I'm telling you, moves are being made in Zimbabwe.